This is how to connect your custom email address to Inbox Agent. In the back end, we're going to create an automatic route. So we need the email address that you want to connect to Inbox Agent. I'm going to add hey@wesfrank.com. I own the domain wesfrank.com, and this is the specific email address that I want to connect to Inbox Agent. Now we need to add some MX records. Here I am in Pork Bun. These are the domains that I own. It's going to be different based on which platform you're using. But for Pork Bun, I'm going to hit on details and then DNS records. I'm going to delete the two that I have right here. Currently, they're forwarding to Pork Bun, which means Pork Bun is handling this email. I'm going to delete it, delete the second one. Now back in Inbox Agent, I'm going to copy the first value. Let's scroll up, create a type MX record. The host we're leaving blank. The answer is that value. And then we see here we need a priority of 10. So I'm going to write priority 10, then click add. We got to do it one more time and copy this value. It's slightly different, MXB instead of MXA. Paste it into the answer and it's keeping the priority at 10. Click add. Scrolling down, these are my two MX records. And now I can continue to the next step.